to that sound.
Alright.
Well, Brian, I'm actually up here to talk to you.
Okay.
We got the headers now.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. But it's solid mount things.
Oh, okay.
I'll have to look at it.
If you'd like to stop.
If you could, that'd be great. Yeah, simply just throw the headers in there.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Sorry. I just got I couldn't resist.
Because I already stuck.
You need to put a cow catcher on.
Vacuum automatically.
No, you jam the wheel then.
Yeah, then it's stuck. Yeah, yeah.
I was gonna try to push it as my original plan.
Oh, later.
I'm gonna clean up one spot. I'm gonna clean up this right side here.
That's fine.
So it actually looks like I did something up here.
If you're gonna do the push the airplane, we should do a bumper and make it won't be a problem. I'm doing a very good job. Cheap.
Kind of missing some of the big pieces.
Well, whenever you think, you just drive it over and we'll.
I'll come back on the next. I'll come back on the next.
Now we have to get the garbage can in.
There's garbage can in that office.
Oh, garbage can there?
Somebody grabbed it at the office last time.
Yeah, I can get it out of here.
Okay, come on. Listen to that sound. It doesn't sound good. Looks like running out of gas. Is it gonna make it?
Yeah, I don't know, eh? That's the thing.
Hold on. I'm gonna back into you. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Okay.
That's right. That's what it's for.
It's making that vacuum is making kind of a weird sound.
Yeah, because you probably have
probably
leftover
full.
dirt in it.
It's probably full.
Yeah. There's some serious dirt.
Oh,
it
was pretty. You have nerves?
Some serious stuff. Really, really dirty.
Oh, that's what it was. It was a tap. I couldn't pick up that. I was wondering what that blue thing was.
Okay. Where did it go again?
It might be over.
I'm gonna throw her out.
Want to drive, Mike?
No, that's all right.
Mike?
It's okay, no, I'll let you.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Nope.
a better.
Be a new driver now.
There you go.
Yeah. I was trying to get somebody else to drive it because I'm driving.
Not
Drive it.
Matt.
Just don't run over those. Just don't run over those paper airplane yet.
Don't run over, okay.
Because
You don't want the analog one there.
pick up the cable.
It's harder to do it over
Spare
here.
Roomba here.
It's okay. It's a bumper. It's meant to do that.
You should,
So if you overrode its behavior to bounce off the bumper and go in random directions.
No, you could. Not with this, though. You need a microcontroller. Or one you can feed back here.
No, you might buy it.
Don't go off the cliff though. No, you can't. You can't even do that on here.
Oh, did you put it on safe mode?
Yeah, it's back to safe mode. Because that was one of the things that caused the turning off.
Okay. I'm not sure about that, but the thing that would bother me about being on safe mode is just that the bumper, doesn't that like,
It doesn't turn it off.
okay, the clip detect does though.
The clip detect does, but not the bumper. And the if you get full up, it should stop.
Oh, don't do that.
Oh, that's okay. We got the chalk. We got the chalk. Yeah, we picked it up. Nice job.
I was scared.
I say pick up everything.
they were on it full on the breakfast.
That's probably getting pretty full now, I guess.
Yeah, I say come back. Come back. Yeah. It's a little tricky to turn. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, empty again.
I'll turn off the vacuum before.
You can stop the vacuum now.
So turn it around. Turn it around. Like turn yourself around a bit. Here, come.
Let the master take over here.
Yeah. You can go digital too. Oh, okay. I switched to digital. It's a little easier to do turnarounds. Yeah.
What? Good.
Okay. Take it.
I get worried when that thing is so big.
How much?
That sucker dropping would be bad.